Elara dreamed of filling her small town with the sweet scent of her unique pastries. Her tiny bakery, Elara's Edibles, however, struggled to attract enough customers, making her wonder if her dream was too big. A prestigious regional baking competition offered a glimmer of hope, promising significant prize money and publicity. Yet fear gripped Elara as she considered the many experienced chefs she would face, their reputations far grander than her own. Nights turned into early mornings as she tirelessly experimented with new flavors and perfect crusts. Doubts often whispered that her humble background and simple ingredients were not enough to compete with grander establishments. One evening, while kneading dough, she remembered her grandmother's advice: "Bake with your heart, child, and your food will tell its own story." This simple wisdom reminded Elara to trust her unique flair and passion for traditional, heartfelt baking. On competition day, Elara presented her signature lavender honey cake with a quiet confidence, letting its delicate aroma and honest taste speak for themselves. The judges were visibly surprised by its refined simplicity among many elaborate creations. To everyone's astonishment, Elara won the grand prize, not for extravagance, but for authentic flavor and soul. Her victory brought newfound recognition, saving her bakery and proving that true quality always shines through.